In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete invite message on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app. And now if we tap add messages, we can find that conversation here. If we get into it, we'll see that I've sent a message to that user, and down below it says that invite sent, and we can send more messages after our invite is accepted. Now, if I want to cancel that invite, I unfortunately cannot do so from here, and also I cannot delete that message. To cancel our invite and to be able to delete the message that we sent to that user, first off, we need to tap right here to go to their profile page, and now we need to block that user. To do that, tap right here at three dots, select block, and then tap add that button. When the user is blocked, we need to go back to the conversation with that user. Actually, we need to refresh it and then enter that conversation again. And now it says here that we've blocked this account, and now we are able to tap add delete, and that will delete the entire conversation with that user, and also it will delete invite message. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.